Windows up on that airplane ride, clouds like dreams as we drift outside. Taxi rolling through a brand new street, voices laughing, rhythm in the heat. Maps don't matter, we just follow the sound. Everywhere feels like home we found. Salt in the air, colors in our eyes, chasing a feeling we can't describe. Kids in the summer running wild and free, blue water shining as far as we see. Good food, cold drink, music in the air, people laughing, living everywhere, from the sky to the streets below. Everywhere we go, everywhere we go. Barefoot walking on the golden sand, ice cream melting in a sunburned hand. Different languages, same kind of smile. Stay for a moment or stay for a while. Midnight talks under neon light, city buzzing, hearts feel light. Strangers turning into friends so fast, living like we want this to always last. Warm nights fading into sunrise gold, every story waiting to be told. Kids in the summer running wild and free, blue water shining as far as we see. Good food, cold drinks, music in the air, people laughing, living everywhere, from the sky to the streets below. Everywhere we go, everywhere we go. Airplane dreams and taxi rides, open hearts, no place to hide. Different roads, but the same bright sky. We don't ask how, we just ask why not try. Kids in the summer, wild and free, blue water calling you and me. Good food, good vibes, nothing to spare, a million stories everywhere, from the sky